Do you struggle to get into those tight spots between your teeth? Maybe you're using traditional floss, but it's just not cutting it. Well, let's talk about a game changer in dental care, the DenTek Easy Brush Interdental Cleaners. With 16 brushes in each pack, it's designed to help clean those hard-to-reach places, especially if you have braces or tight spaces between your teeth. If you're looking for an easy way to upgrade your oral hygiene routine, this product might be what you've been searching for. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our honest, hands-on reviews here on Beautyistic. These DenTek Easy Brush Interdental Cleaners are a perfect solution for anyone who struggles with flossing or cleaning between their teeth. The durable, tapered brush head is designed to slide easily between your teeth, even in those spots where traditional floss might not reach. This can be a real lifesaver for people with braces, implants, or tight spaces between their teeth. It's also a simple solution for anyone who needs a little extra help with daily oral care. When I first tested these brushes, I was immediately impressed by how easy they were to use. The handle is ergonomic, so you don't have to worry about it slipping, and it's long enough to give you good control while maneuvering between your teeth. I found that the tapered design of the brush allowed it to clean even the most challenging spots with minimal effort. For me, using these brushes felt almost like a routine addition that made my usual oral care just that much more effective. In terms of feel, the brush is gentle yet effective. I didn't experience any discomfort, even while cleaning more sensitive areas around my gums. And I was pleased to see that it didn't cause any bleeding, which can sometimes happen with floss. The minty scent was refreshing, giving me that just clean feeling without being overwhelming. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While these brushes are great for tight spaces and braces, I did find that if you have significantly wider gaps between your teeth, they might not be as effective. For those situations, you might need to look for a wider brush or a different method altogether. The brushes are also disposable, so they need to be replaced periodically, which adds a bit to the long-term cost. So, how does the value hold up? The price point for the DenTek Easy Brush Interdental Cleaners is fairly reasonable when you consider how often you'll need to replace floss. Since these brushes are designed for daily use and are easy to handle, they seem to be a smart investment for improving oral hygiene without breaking the bank. If you're someone who values convenience and efficiency in your dental care routine, this is a great option that offers solid performance. I also want to quickly mention that if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are some other interdental brushes out there that are less expensive but still offer similar functionality. If you're on a budget but still want a good product for maintaining your oral health, it might be worth exploring those alternatives. However, if you value convenience and durability, the DenTek Easy Brush definitely holds its own. When it comes to build quality, the brushes are sturdy and durable. I didn't feel like they would break easily, and the design makes them comfortable to use. The handle's non-slip grip is definitely a plus, especially when you're working with small spaces in your mouth. As for longevity, I found that these brushes last through daily use without losing their effectiveness, though you'll want to replace them once they start to wear down. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on them, the link is in the comments. Now let's talk about customer support. I haven't had a direct need to contact DenTek's customer service, but from what I've gathered, their reputation for handling inquiries and issues is generally positive. They're known for being responsive, which is always a good sign when investing in a brand that's integral to your daily routine. As for alternatives, there are definitely some other interdental brushes out there, such as the Oral-B interdental brushes or gum soft picks, that might suit your needs if you're looking for a different feel or price range. While they might not have the same design or features, they can be great alternatives depending on your specific requirements. To wrap it up, The DenTek Easy Brush Interdental Cleaners provide a convenient and effective solution for cleaning between your teeth, especially if you struggle with tight spaces or wear braces. The ergonomic design, gentle cleaning action, and fresh minty scent make them a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their oral hygiene routine. If you've got tight spaces, they're a real game changer. However, if you need a wider brush or a more long-lasting option, there are other products that might fit your needs better. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.